The first stage is known as the Philistine or Spitzbauer, or if we're going to use modern terms, it would be the NPC. This is the person who never truly confronts the anxiety of existence. He lives in conformity, adapting uncritically to social norms and expectation. Basically, he's not a Sigma. He works, marries, raises children, and discusses what one discusses. But he has not chosen this life. He simply follows the script handed to him. He is asleep to himself. Eventually, anxiety breaks through. The Philistine begins to feel that something is missing. In response, he may retreat into the aesthetic stage, becoming the aesthete. The aesthete seeks to avoid existential responsibility by immersing himself in pleasure, novelty, or intellectual game. He constructs a life of surface-level satisfaction, where nothing is truly binding. But this too collapses because he cannot avoid himself. The aesthete begins to experience existential despair, a crushing emptiness that no pleasure can mask. Kierkegaard captures this most famously in his own voice, writing in a journal from his youth. I come home from a party where I was the life of the evening, witty and admired, and then I want to shoot myself.